So in today's video I'll be talking about the spotlight mode. Now it's attached obviously to the active track, so when you find something you draw a square around it and then you've got a choice, active track or the spotlight. And I don't think a lot of people know about that, what that spotlight's for. And you've got some other tricks in that really. You can do it as a circle, a point of interest. But anyway, I'm going to show you all that in a moment. But the first thing we've got to do is get the drone up in the air. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to send the drone up. We're going to find something for the drone to fly around. You can see what I'm aiming for, can't you? I'm aiming for that chimney. Okay, so what we do, we draw a box around it. And you can see already the spotlight is come up already. Now, most people will just go for the point of interest or active track, but we're actually going to go for the spotlight. So, and obviously this time we have to put on the video. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the stick. Now officially that's going to stick to that. You can just see it now. And all I'm doing, as you can see now, I'm just holding that, moving that stick to the right. I'm not messing about with it, and you should get a perfect circle. And I've got to thank the guy I'm just going to put up now, because I was watching this video and I thought, wow, that's so much better than doing a circle. And if you notice, I'm getting closer to it now than you would normally if you was doing a point of interest or a circle and that. And you got your own control. And if you notice, I'm coming closer and closer to it. Okay, I'm just going to stop it there. And I'm going to come out of that. Because what you've got to make sure, guys, is that when you're doing these sort of things, you come out of that mode. Because all it's doing is just stuck on it at the moment. I'm just going to bring the drone back. And I think what we'd do, we'd try a different location. There's a building to my right here. Okay, so what we'd do, we'd just dip that camera down a minute. We're going to draw a box around that building. You can see it's highlighted. Now I'm just going to move the stick to the right. I mean, you don't have to move the stick. You can move the stick to the left if I wanted to, which I'll do in a moment. But I just think it does such a perfect circle, but also it comes in a little bit closer as well while you're doing it. I just think it gives you a little bit more interest. Obviously, it's always, you've got to be aware of things around it. I mean, there is a pylon, but it's got no cable on it. But there are some cables a little bit further down. That's why I'm up a little bit higher. And you can see the home point. That's where I am at the moment. So you've got an idea where you're going. So if I stop it there, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. And we just drop that down a little bit more. And this time I'm going to go around to the left, or clockwise, as they say. I think sometimes you can get a little bit too used to the modes that are already been set. I'm on about like the quick shots. The problem with the quick shots is you only get, I don't know, 15-20 second shot, whereas this, you can just get the shot that you want, and it's not that difficult to do. So I'm just going to bring it round to the front. I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to turn off the video. And I'll bring the drone back.
Return to home.
So, hope you found that useful. Something else that I didn't know about really, and I want to thank the guy that I put him there again. That put that up a couple of weeks ago. He does some really interesting videos, and I think it's always good to use other people's channels as well for information, and there's loads out there.
Landing.
Anyway, as always, hope you found that interesting. Get the thumbs up if you loved it, get the thumbs down if you didn't love it, but as always guys, just enjoy flying your drone, and I'll catch you on another one very soon.